Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and this is Dias Paul. Thank you so much for all your likes and support. And if you're a new viewer, go to my channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos, you can hit that like button. And also, um, for the ones who wants additional services or training from me, you can WhatsApp my customer care team for the details. 7892652481 is their number. And for the ones who want to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can click the link in the video description or else about section. In Zerodha or Upstock, you can open an account and be part of my secret Telegram channel. So anyways, we have posted a lot of live trading videos continuously from weeks together. So just like how you guys asked, this is a public Telegram group. Okay, so guys, remember, this is the group which we have. We don't have any other group. Maybe someone has named any group as Smart Traders and all that, so it is their wish to name whatever it is. So remember, don't think that is Smart Trader group of YouTube. This is the actual Smart Trader official. You see the logo, right? So this is the only group which we started recently. So this is the only public group which we have, and one private channel which only I can add people. So anyways, as per the voting, they had told they need technical analysis concept videos, which we already started. Around 3 videos I have posted. I will post more further this week. And second option they asked was live trading videos, which I have done more than 20-30 videos after requesting this. I think too much of live trading videos I did, and after doing a live trading videos, to do one more video, now my energy will drain up. So I thought, let me start off with our learning videos, which there are so many things to record. So technical analysis concepts I will start posting this week, and also ideas and or tricks was the third voted. So that one I didn't post anything yet. So today just a video I thought I will do, just an idea or a tip for people. So I will post today. And how to deal with different situation, yes, that is also one of the thing which we will discuss definitely. So on other topics also we will discuss. So slowly we will start putting learning videos, because if I don't get time to record a video, if I don't have a content to put the next day, I will immediately record the live trading video, because that is the most easy task for me. Record my mobile screen and upload. So if I don't have a content for putting on a learning basis or something for the next particular day, next day I will record the live trading, or else whatever I have pre-recorded and kept, I will definitely post that, because we have to add more learning videos as of now, because considering our channel is full of live trading videos. Even few of our subscribers asked, we have a lot of live trading videos, few more learning videos, because few people had asked for live trading, and I did live trading, a lot of live trading videos if you see back to back, and learning videos is reduced actually if you see. So only few technicals I had posted. Now finally we will start posting, don't worry, let's do it. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's video. So I will just show you guys how to apply an alert, or how to set an alert. Just like your alarm clock, we can also set an alert on Zerodha app. Okay, so it's a Kite app which I'm using. You can set an alert, for example, any stock. Just take any stock like this, and you wanna put an alert. You can put a set an alert like this. All right, and then you can ask me like whichever stock. See, I've just added Tata Motors like this. You can mention last traded price, high price, low price, open price, close price, anything. But moreover, we will use what? Last traded price. This is the current market price. Okay, so last traded price of this stock is what? Equal to, greater than, if it crosses or is equal to this number, then the alert should come. So whenever it is equal, example, if it is equal to, now current market is 172, let's say 180 rupees. So if it is equal to 180 rupees, then only the alert should come. And you can name anything, A, B, C, D, or anything you want to mention. You can mention the name for this particular thing. So imagine you want to buy at particular point, or you want to observe a stock. Once it crosses certain levels, or something happens to a stock, if it falls, I will try to buy or average out in the dip. All that alerts. Now few people told me, when I am in office, once I put a trade, I tend to forget. Even I forget. But these type of alerts will definitely help you if you have that particular problem. And if you tend to forget things, then put this alert. Or if you feel you are driving car or going on a bike and you are scared that you put an internet rate, keep an alert. Whenever you get an alert, you can stop your vehicle somewhere and then have a check, rather than always keeping and watching your phone, which is very dangerous. Please don't do that. A lot of people, I have heard that you are looking at your mobile when you go in your car and all. Please don't do that, because trading is very addictive, so your concentration goes on the mobile, not on the road. So also in office, don't be addicted watching on the phone, then later your manager will say that this and all that. So keep an alert. Whenever you get an alert, just take a small break quickly and just watch the required levels. So this is one tip I would like to give a lot of people who are facing this issue of forgetting things or looking at the mobile continuously. You can use these alerts to set and keep. Only when it comes you can do. So you can hit directly create like this and it will be active. So here you can go pause it, or you can edit again, or you can also delete it if it is already done or not required. Like this you can set a different alerts. Now here, for example, last traded price, you can also search any stock name you want over here, any futures or option, anything, and also all the other parameters will be equal. Also you can mention stock specific. For example, if the last traded price or high price, if it has come near the average traded price and all that, you can mention here. So let's say last traded price, or search stocks, let's say Reliance or whatever stock I'm typing, and you can just name anything over here and just create. So by like this, what you can do, this is there directly in your Zerodha itself. If you go down, you have this, I think it's called a Sentinel or something, the name is not exactly mentioned here. You can set an alert with this type of method. Okay, so it's a very good option. Most of the people I think would have not used this, so it's very easy to use, and hope this is an add-on to your knowledge. So try it out. Anyways, when you do paper trading, you can just do this. You can use this alerts in your paper trading also. When certain alerts come, you can look at that particular stock. Don't need to look 5-6 stocks. You can keep alerts on the stock. Later when you get some pop-ups, automatically you can check out that stock directly, rather than looking at all the 5 stocks at a time throughout the day. Okay, so hope this idea or tip was an add-on to your knowledge. So if you like such videos, hit that like button and also share this with all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.